Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open Settings on your Android phone and navigate to Apps and Notifications. Tap Special App Access, then choose Picture-in-Picture from the menu. Find the app you want and enable the Allow Picture-in-Picture toggle for that app now. This grants permission so the app can shrink into a floating window. The whole process usually takes about 30 seconds on Android 11 or newer devices. You can repeat this for any other apps you want to use in Pi-P mode. Start playing video or begin navigation inside the Allowed app and look for Pi-P behavior. Press the Home button or use your home gesture to return to the home screen, and the app should shrink into a floating window. Some apps show a picture-in-picture icon or playback controls that explicitly enter Pi-P. Drag the floating window to reposition it and pinch to resize where the app allows. Tap the window to reveal play, pause, and close controls for quick management while multitasking. If Pi-P does not work, update both the app and your Android system first. Open Play Store and update the app, then check settings for a system update available. Clear the app cache or force stop the app and reopen it to reset permissions. Disable battery saver or data saver options that may block background activity and Pi-P behavior. As a last resort, uninstall app updates or reboot the phone and re-enable Picture-in-Picture in Settings to restore normal Pi-P functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.